throughout the country. Ayushman Bharat. Healthcare cover under Ayushman Bharat scheme will be extended to all ASHA workers, to all Anganwadi workers and helpers.
In Google, type PMJAY and search. In the search result, click on Beneficiary Portal. It will take you to the home page of the Beneficiary Portal of PMJAY. In this screen, you can see two options at the top. One is Beneficiary and another one is Operator. So as a general public, you should select Beneficiary. After that, you have to type CAPTCHA and phone number, that is mobile number. After typing CAPTCHA and mobile number, you have to click on Verify. Your mobile number get verified and OTP will be sent to your mobile number. Keep authentication mode as mobile OTP. Enter the received mobile OTP and after that type the CAPTCHA. After typing the CAPTCHA, click on Login. It will take you to the beneficiary search page. At the first option, if you click the down arrow, you can find various schemes. So here you can select PMJAY. After that, select the native state which you belong. Selecting the sub-scheme is an important step in downloading the health card of ASHA or Anganwadi worker. If the beneficiary is ASHA worker, then you have to select ASHA from the sub-scheme. And if the beneficiary is Anganwadi worker or Anganwadi helper, then you have to select AWW or AWH. That is AWW or AWH. So you have to select this and then you have to proceed with the next process. And if you are a normal citizen, you can select PMJAY in the sub-scheme and then proceed with the next process. After selecting the sub-scheme, then select your native district and after that search by Aadhaar number. Next, you have to enter your Aadhaar number, then type CAPTCHA. After that, click on search. If the ASHA or Anganwadi worker or helper is enrolled in the list, the name will be displayed in the screen. In normal cases, the name of the ASHA or Anganwadi worker, including the family members, will be also listed in the screen. In some cases, only the ASHA or Anganwadi workers' name will be displayed, but their family members will not be displayed here. So there is no problem in this because all the members included in the ration card of the ASHA worker will get the benefit of the scheme. In this screen, I am going to show you the details of Anganwadi worker. In the sub-scheme, I have selected AWW and I have given the Aadhaar details of an Anganwadi worker. And after that, I have given search, and in the down page, we can see the details of an Anganwadi worker. In the source, we can see that AWW, that means the particular person belongs to Anganwadi worker category, and this person is included in the Ayushman Bharat insurance scheme. In this screen, it shows the ASHA beneficiary and their family members. The above mentioned beneficiaries are included in this scheme as one of the member is an ASHA worker. From the screen itself, we can understand that the source of this beneficiary is coming under ASHA category, and I have highlighted in the screen. Click on the download option. When you click on the download option, a small window will open and it contains the last digit of your Aadhaar number, and near to that there will be a verify option. When you click on the verify option, a small window will open and it contains some instructions regarding the ABBA card or ABBA ID and the insurance card, and it is asking to create ABBA or link your ABBA with this insurance card. You can select yes and you can click on the option allow. When you click on allow, a small window will open for entering two OTPs. That is, one is Aadhaar OTP and another one is beneficiary mobile OTP. Enter these two OTP in the respective columns. That is, you have to enter the Aadhaar OTP which is received in your Aadhaar linked mobile number, and the beneficiary OTP is the mobile OTP which you received in your mobile, which you have used for login in this portal. If you are using Aadhaar linked mobile number for login process, then the two OTP will be received in the same mobile number. That means two OTP will be received in the same number, and you have to enter the mobile OTP in the mobile OTP mentioned column and the Aadhaar OTP in the Aadhaar OTP mentioned column. So don't change these OTPs. If you are changing these OTPs, then you won't be able to go to the next process. After entering the OTP, you click on authenticate. When you click on authenticate, a page will be opened with the name of the person. Here you can select the person, select a person to whom you want to download the insurance card. When you select the person, some more details of the related person will be shown near to that person. When we see below, we can see the name of that particular person, and below that there is an option Aadhaar OTP. Select on Aadhaar OTP. When you click on Aadhaar OTP, your Aadhaar's last 3 digit will be shown, and near to that there is an option verify. You can select on verify. My humble request, those who are watching this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Share this video to other ASHA workers, Anganwadi workers and helpers so that they can also download their insurance card. Click on verify. When you click on verify, a small instruction window will be open, and it contains the instruction about linking your ABBA ID with this insurance card. So please select yes and next click on allow. When you click on allow, download page will be available on the screen. Here at the same time you will receive two OTP. One is Aadhaar OTP and another one is beneficiary OTP. So type both this OTP on the respective boxes. Don't interchange both this OTP. The Aadhaar OTP is the OTP which you have received in the mobile, which you have linked with your Aadhaar card. And the other one is the beneficiary OTP that you have used to log in this portal. If you are using the same phone number, that is Aadhaar linked phone number for login process, both this OTP will be received in the same phone number. So type this both OTP in the respective boxes. When you enter the both OTP, it will take you to the download link page. Here you can download your Ayushman Bharat Health Insurance Card. Click download. Your insurance card will be downloaded as PDF file. You can take the printout and you can laminate it and you can use this as your insurance card. Before ending this video, I am repeating the sub-scheme once again. So when you are selecting the sub-scheme, if you belongs to ASHA worker, then you have to select ASHA, and if you belongs to Anganwadi worker or helper, you have to select AWH option. And if you are a general public and if you want to check whether I am included in the insurance scheme, then you have to select PMJAY. And all the remaining process will be same for all the categories. Share this video to all ASHA workers, Anganwadi workers and helpers so that they can also download this insurance card. My humble and kind request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.